challenge 4. What do we got? No, we don't want that. 12 devout, 6 absolvers, 4 tunes of exactly the same. You can do it with 1 tune, you'll get a lot of damage. I choose to do it with more than 1, and I try to keep the damage down to less than 5 minutes per unit, not per tune. That way I can do instant repair. So the first thing we do is we just bait them. The more of these guys that we can kill early on, the less damage we take. So you just want to pull them out. When they come out, kill them. Stay away from the turrets. Turrets will do you damage. And when you do get to the turrets, if you want, you can use missiles to shock them. Right now, we're just trying to pull out whatever we can get to come out. Come on. Oh no, stay with me. Come on, get out here. Get out here so we can kill you so that you can do less damage. You're going to take damage, but the less you take, the better. The more of these guys that you can pull out, the better it is long term. Stay away from the turrets. See, that's why. All right, let's get a couple of these guys over here out. And then what I'll do is I'll shock them a little bit so that the turrets don't do me as much damage. Again, you can go straight in if you want. All right, let's start in the middle. Just send 1 missile in. We're going to take out the 2 overwatches. Get in and get out. All right, that's enough for those guys. Now we'll send in another tune exactly the same. Only this time, we're going to shock these guys over here. And then we'll go in and we'll take out the rails. We'll take out the overwatch. All right, let's go. There, now pull them out. As they come out, kill them off. It's how you keep your damage down a little bit. Here they come. Here they come. And they didn't come. Closer you can get to these guys, the better. Come on out here. All right, that's enough for you. We'll do the same thing over here. Bring in a 3rd tune. Shock these guys so that they do less damage. All right, let's go make it happen. All right, good enough. Now, time to clean up the rest. We'll start over here. Now we'll just shock these guys and clean out the rest. Especially the rails. Rails will do a lot more damage than the Overwatch. All right, let's go. All right, I think that's it. Now we just put them on Ruby. Clear the base. 46 seconds. You better hurry. I was goofing off so much. Wasn't paying attention. Like I said, it can be done much faster. Base 4 is done. That's one way. Obviously, it can be done much quicker. So go and do it well.